This is my new pangyo. What is your name?
Oh, you朋友. Olina.
Olina.
Yeah.
Olina is from Melbourne? No, she's from DJI headquarters in China. So what do you think about Bandung? This is your first time being here.
Absolutely amazing.
Really?
The food and the weather. Everyone have to come to Bandung all the time.
Okay,
at
okay,
least.
the camera's not recording. What do you really think?
I think it's amazing. Hey, come on.
Alright, what's good YouTube? It's been a while since I've done this vlog. Hari ini tanggal 20 Juni and I want to share with you what I actually do other than gym, and that is work. Besok gua road trip ke Bandung untuk acara launching opening DJI store di Bandung di RS Pascal. And besoknya lagi hari Minggu gua ada event DJI Photo Academy bareng sama Eric Saragi, Sony Alpha Guru, and I couldn't sleep karena gue baru selesai packing. Look at my suitcase. Terus juga gue baru selesai, gear check, charging all my equipment. Ini gimbal gue, camera's already in the camera bag. Dan sekarang jam, let's see, it is now setengah 12 malam. And I just cannot sleep. Makanya gue kayak bikin ramen. It's not ramen, ini noodle, but it looks pretty delicious, don't it? Ini gue tambahin lagi telur 2. Karena kata dokter Tirta kalau mau makan mie harus ada telurnya. Dan kalau udah malam, makan telur 5. But I'm not eating 5 eggs at like 11:30 p.m. So I'm just gonna enjoy my noodle. And I will see you tomorrow. Si pasang alarm tuh jam 5, kebangun tuh setengah 6 sekarang. Ngasih udah bangun sih jam 5. Ya seperti biasa, setoran dulu cuy, sakit perut. Hai, gue harus jalan ke Bandung jam 9. Dan gue bakal ada di Bandung hari Sabtu dan Minggu. And I'm gonna be really busy, so that means no gym. Maka dari itu gue mau get a quick pump. Ini morning routine gue buat suplemen fitness, True ISO sama kreatin. Ini gue siapin dulu. Nextnya ada ini. Ini adalah pre-workout. Tinggal dikit lagi. Yang waktu itu gue beli namanya Angel Dust yang gak ada tengkorak. I usually just dry scoop the crap out of it. Satu scoop. Wash it with some water and then ready to go. My face is tingling. I gotta go to the gym right now. ASA to the motherfucking P. Let's go. Ini dunia udah mulai error sih, udah mulai ngebug. Kenapa gue bilang gitu? Karena sekarang udah bulan Juni, udah mau Juli, tapi kayak masih hujan. Ini dari semalam hujan. What is going on? Alright, jadi ini gym yang biasa gue pergi kalau gue lagi nggak sempet ke gym gue yang di Sampurna, di Pace Performance. And this gym has been around forever. Dan jaraknya cuman kayak 5-10 menit walk from my house. So, it's already a good warm-up. Ini di load week. Gue udah ngelakuin squat, bench, deadlift gue untuk minggu ini. So, hari ini sebenarnya I'm just trying to get a quick shoulder pump, bicep pump, tricep pump, and chest pump, Trying to get, trying to look wide as fuck. Buat shoulder, biasanya I work my way up dari 2,5 kilo 10 reps, 10 reps, 10 reps, 10 reps sampai gue ngerasa 10 repsnya itu challenging. And biasanya sih ini di 15 kilo udah mulai ngaco formnya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. And biasanya kalau udah sampai kayak gitu, I feel like 10 reps is challenging. That's my first working set. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Let's go. All right. Next up, back flies. I like to do 15 to 20 reps on this one. Range motion gue agak berkurang. Biasanya gue sampai sini, and then I come back. Tapi bahu kanan gue lagi fucked up, so berkurang lah sampai sini aja. As long as I feel a stretch, and then I come back. Moving on to biceps. Biasanya gue pakai cable. I prefer cables, but the cable machine aren't in use right now. So we gotta make do with what we got. Biar cepat selesai, biar cepat pulang. Because it is what it is, bro, unless you have your own gym. But we're not there yet in life. So we gotta do what we gotta do, man. The last one on the menu would be triceps. Same shit. 10 reps. Work our way up. Sekarang gue udah di 45 kilo. Biasanya untuk gerakan ini, last month I think, or like at the beginning of this year, paling 30 10 reps. Now I can do this shit sambil ngomong, no problem. You know? Let's have a Sam Sulek moment real quick before I gotta go home. Pump check. I mean, mana lighting yang bagus ya? There it is. My shoulders are coming in quite nicely. Biceps. Bicep looks pretty pumped. Tricep looks pretty good. Udah mulai defined in the back. Let's check out the other side. Here we go. Oh my God. Left delt. There it is. My goodness. It's coming in quite nicely, bro. Biceps. Yep. Pretty nice. Chest. Let's see. Chest juga udah lumayan oke. Abs. Obliques. Dikit lagi sih. Gonna cut down to 10% body fat, and it's all gonna be looking. Okay, so biasanya nyampe rumah, I'd like to just come out here, you know, buka baju, and just enjoy the wind. Tapi gue nggak buka baju karena I got my clip on right here. Nanti lu nggak bisa denger audionya lagi. And ini blocking pasti, even though I don't see the screen. Jadi nggak apa-apa, kita tutup aja pintunya. Alright, just enjoy my protein shake. Ya, 5.000 tuh. Damn it. Anyways, ini True ISO Fit Life yang rasa coklat sama creatine. Delicious, chocolatey, and feeds the muscles. I love it because not a big fan of breakfast. Biasanya sih takut, tapi kalau lapar banget gue makan sih. And usually it's mostly just protein. Kayak telur dadar. Or some shit. Gue gak bisa lihat layarnya nggak karena lupa gue buka. Kalau kepala gue kepotong, maaf ya. Just getting ready to go to work. I mean, for the trip. Ini biasanya gear yang gue bawa. Actually, we're doing something a little different today. Biasanya buat camera gear, shooting, main camera pasti Sony A7 IV pakai Tamron 1728. And then we have a shotgun mic, ini punya Jose, Sennheiser MKE 200. And then ada ini, this is the DJI mic mini buat interview biar lebih dekat. Dan ini ada ND polarizer, gua bakal jelasin lebih detail nanti, but that's basically it. And the camera you see me shooting with, ini kameranya Om Ben. This is the Lumix GH7 with the RE Log C color. That's why it looks mwah! Alright kids, Uncle's gonna teach you something. This is what we call a prep table. Just to make sure before we go that we got everything we need. Gak ada yang ketinggalan, especially SD card. I'm not even joking, SD card. Do not forget that shit. Bring at least 4. Camera bag, tadi Uncle udah jelasin isinya apa aja. Cameras, laptop, SD card, SSDs buat backup. All that inside of here already. Terus di dalam sini ada baju-baju sama DJI wireless monitor. Terus ini gimbal Uncle. This is the RS4 Pro with the DJI wireless monitor receiver. Nanti Uncle bakal jelasin semua setupnya, and with the tripod extension leg, jadi bisa ditaruh kayak gini. And then drone obviously because DJI ini Mini 4 Pro. Kenapa drone-nya Mini 4 Pro, Uncle? Enggak Mavic 4 Pro kayak yang dari kemarin Uncle kontenin? Because Mini 4 Pro is enough for what I do, and it actually does true vertical already, dan sensornya udah 1 inci, and it already does D-Log. It does everything that I need, dan biasanya kalau kondisi documentation itu gua nggak bisa reki. So, I don't really know lokasinya bakal seperti apa, kendalanya seperti apa. Dan dalam menerbangkan drone, satu hal yang paling penting adalah, ya ini kata Pak Dinovian, adalah yang namanya ikhlas. So, in case anything happen, amit-amit, knock on wood, nabrak atau apa gitu, I could afford to, lose a Mini 4 Pro and not beat myself up about it. But if I crash a Mavic 4 Pro, bro, that shit's like 58 juta. And I'm not about to drop that kind of cash. Apalagi sekarang udah tanggal 20-an. Anyways, let's go. Bantal. Biar nggak kenapa-napa dia, kita selimutin. Biar tidurnya nyenyak sampai dia kerja. And we got drones. Also, bantal. Right, this is just some random highway thoughts. Remember how when we were kids and our parents told us to stay out of trouble and, avoid things that are dangerous? But once we grew up and we got older, we learned that life is full of troubles and full of dangerous things. So I think advice that I would give to my kids is that not to stay out of trouble or try to avoid doing dangerous stuff and risky stuff, but try to learn how to navigate through troubles and learn how to do dangerous and risky stuff safely. Sekian aja random thoughts di jalan tol. Alhamdulillah sampai juga di Bandung. I don't know what road this is, cuman gue lagi OTW ke Pascal dengan jalanan Bandung yang sudah mulai lumayan seperti Jakarta macetnya ya. Gokil, akhirnya selesai juga syuting di DJI Store Pascal ya. Rame banget ya. Ternyata antusiasnya sebegitunya buat barang-barang DJI. Gimana nih, Urban, kurang Bandung? Ada DJI Store area di Bandung?
Oke sih. Akhirnya bisa nyobain gear-nya langsung di lokasi.
Kayak gitu ya.
Karena kalau online susah ya?
Agak susah sih tuh. Gak bisa nanya-nanya, gak bisa ngopek-ngopek.
Enggak, masalah kalau di traveling tuh size meter.
Betul.
Jadi kayak lo harus lihat dulu barangnya segede gini nih.
Iya.
Karena kalau lo badannya kegedean, kayak antara masuk atau enggak di carry lo gitu.
Nah itu benar. Jadi kalau misalnya lu pengen beli Inspire 3 gitu kan, kalau misalnya nggak mau gimana?
Iya. Misalnya di gambar kecil kan?
Iya, di gambar kecil.
Lo tiba-tiba datang, boxnya segede gini nih.
Iya, tapi
Itu
Bani
PR.
ternyata ini temen Bani ya. Bani udah lama nggak main sama Uncle loh.
Waduh.
Wah, parah.
Dia sibuk ngedit ya.
Oh gitu ya?
Kerjaan banyak.
Oke, alhamdulillah kalau gitu.
Alhamdulillah.
Ini harus banget kan panuang ini wajib ya Pak Victor ya? Wah ini terang raosnya emang the best sih. Happy birthday Amon. Happy birthday Amon. Ya, day 2 di Bandung. Hari ini kita mau kemana, Kes?
Kemana? Gue juga lupa.
Ih, parah banget. Bosnya di depannya loh. Aduh, Kes, pangalengan. Oke, retake. Reset, guys. Oke. Coba slide lagi. Dari kita mau kemana, Sis?
Pangalengan.
Mantap.
Ngapain?
Hari ini kita mau ke Palangan, ada DJI Foto Academy. Oke, riset lagi. DJI Foto Academy Pangalengan, sama ada Alpha Guru nih. Mas siapa Mas namanya Mas? Erik. Ah, udah sama Mas Erik. Jadi Mas Erik, kenapa tiba-tiba dari Sony pegang DJI?
Nah, dikirimin sama bos kita yang satu.
Dikirimin sama bos kita yang satu ini gitu. Apa drone DJI yang udah dicobain aja Mas Erik?
Terbang. Oh, udah banyak.
Udah banyak.
Mavic 1,
Mavic 1,
Mavic 2 Pro,
Wah.
Mavic 3 klasik, Sekarang Mini 4 Pro.
Oh, itu yang Mini 4 Pro yang hampir hilang itu
Yo,
tadi.
Dari zaman Phantom lo aku main ya.
Iya. Jadi kalau misalnya DJI Photo Academy sama Mas Erik tuh bahannya apa aja?
Bahannya jadi serius kayaknya. Bahannya teknik, komposisi, dan lain terbang menggunakan drone.
Mantap. Kita habis berapa bayar Mas Erik?
Sekian lah.
Apa?
Jangan mahal-mahal, nggak usah. Jangan mahal. Iya.
Babi aja aku bos ini.
Budgetnya 2M ya?
Aduh, 2M.
Makasih Mas.
Makasih Mas.
Oke, itu dia akhirnya udah bungkus juga acara gue di Bandung. Ini acaranya DJI Photo Academy. This is my new pengyo. What is your name?
Oh, you朋友. Olina.
Olina.
Yeah.
Olina is from Melbourne? No, she's from DJI headquarters in China. So what do you think about Bandung? This is your first time being here.
Absolutely amazing.
Really?
The food and the weather. Everyone have to come to Bandung one time.
Okay, the camera's not recording. What do you really think?
I think it's amazing. Hey, come on.
I'm just kidding. So, Olina, gua udah ajak kemarin makan pandan wangi. What do you think about the terong raos? The eggplant from yesterday.
Oh yeah, crispy. It's a must try. It's the signature of rice. I did that. Nailed it, right?
Come again?
Hey, I know that, right? From Ryan.
Yeah, mwah.
Mwah.
I taught her that, mwah, the chef's kiss.
Yeah.